Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, as of right now, we had that beautiful move set yesterday with this huge move going all the way up to the 27 mark. In yesterday's video, I mentioned that's going to be very important for Luna to actually take control of that 27 level and use it as support. But you can see that right now we are failing to break above that level once more and are now trading below the exponential moving averages. We are still not in any sort of clear direction on Luna Classic. This can definitely still be an accumulation range, but I am still short-term bearish on Luna Classic because of the fact that it looks like the bulls can't take control of this level. You can see that we had 3 or 4 wicks here on the 4-hour time frame. We tried to break above that 25 to 27 level, failed to break above, and now we are seeing more and more bearish engulfing candles. This right here was that fake out move I was talking about. We had this huge move retesting the highs. A lot of traders started to enter those long positions, failed to break above, and then we had a bearish engulfing breaking right back into those exponential moving averages. My overall level, of course, is still to see whether or not Luna Classic can have a third test confirmation on this 22 level and then the move set higher, because you can see that we tested the support level once, twice, and have yet to test it the third time. If we see that third test confirmation, then I would start looking for some long positions to ideally play Luna Classic to around that 29 mark. But if we don't see that third test and we actually see a break of that formation, you guys already know from my previous price analysis, I am looking at this as a overall BART formation. If we do see that break formation, then the ideal level would be around that 17 to 18 mark and see whether or not Luna Classic can actually hold that level. Now, of course, on the lower time frames, you can see that we are below the exponential moving averages, but we had this beautiful wick retesting that liquidity, right? You can see right over here, we had this huge move and we had multiple retests of the confirmation, then that bearish engulfing candle, but we had one more wick. And I told you guys this before, that Luna Classic tends to be extremely volatile. So you don't want to be entering any sort of positions until you get a clear confirmation of where the direction is heading. Right now, this whole range you can see has been extremely choppy. We are seeing wicks to the downside and to the upside, and these are very much large wicks. So you don't want to get controlled and actually get wrecked, right? Ideally, what you're looking for is a clean confirmation. So once we see that clean break on Luna Classic on the exponential moving averages, we can start to look for those positions. And again, right now, you guys can see on previous price analysis, when we broke the 29 level, I mentioned that this is looking for a decent shorting opportunity because we were rejecting the exponential moving averages. You can see how a little bit of different scenario it is right now, but before, every time we hit those resistance levels, we kept continuing pushing down. But now we are in this somewhat neutral standpoint, but it is still extremely choppy. And you can kind of see the same sort of formation on Luna Classic when we were rising up. We were bouncing on those support levels before we finally saw the break of that formation. You can see how hard it is to actually trade these consolidation zones until we get that clear confirmation. There's no reason to really look. If you are looking to DCA into Luna Classic, of course, these levels are somewhat decent, but I still would wait until we see a proper move to the downside, because if Luna Classic can't hold this overall BART formation, the next lows are going to be pretty bad. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.